The FDA entering a new era, okaying the sale of Zyn nicotine pouches to help smokers cut back or quit cigarettes.
It's the first time the Food and Drug Administration has authorized the sale of nicotine pouches. Fox 8's Jessica Formoso is live in the newsroom with the impact of this decision. And just how is the medical community responding?
And Natasha and Steve, well, doctors are surprised the FDA is authorizing the use of these nicotine pouches. They believe there's serious health risks people need to take into account before consuming.
The FDA authorizing Thursday the use of Zyn pouches, these small pouches that are designed to be placed between the gums and lip, allowing nicotine to be absorbed into the bloodstream, which could help smokers cut back or quit cigarettes.
I understand the reasoning that, this may get patients off smoking, which we know is very dangerous, but this is not without any risk.
The flavored pouches have been available for more than a decade as FDA reviewed Philip Morris International, the parent company behind the Zyn pouches. Although they contain nicotine, they are considered to be less harmful than other traditional tobacco products, something that doesn't sit well with Dr. John White, Chief Medical Officer at WebMD.
I'm not sure I would say these pouches are safe and effective. We do know that too much nicotine can cause problems with your heart. Remember, that acts as a stimulant. We know that there is an association with nicotine and oral cancer and gum disease.
FDA officials say that Zyn contains fewer harmful ingredients than cigarettes and other various types of chewing tobacco, which are linked to cancer and other diseases. The company citing a substantial portion of adults who previously smoked switched completely to Zyn.
The belief is, and there's some data to support this, that people who use these pouches, smokers, will then come off of tobacco. But what I'm concerned about is then they become addicted to these pouches, and particularly concerned for kids. About 2% of kids are using these pouches.
And last year, Democratic Senator Chuck Schumer called on regulators to investigate Zyn, citing its appeal to teens, a concern shared by doctors who believe the pouches can be harmful to a child's brain when used long term. Steve?
All right, thanks, Jessica.